Hey y'all, this is Vic. Hey, welcome to my channel. Thank y'all so much for stopping by. Appreciate it. A couple of weeks ago, I picked up a Wilton 450 SJ. Suppose it's rare. I'm having a hard time finding other ones on YouTube. There's 3 or 4 that are out there. The swivel jaw on mine's locked. I can't get the pin out of it for the swivel jaw to work. So I've been coming out here for about a week or so, adding some Scout Crafter 50/50 on it. I just can't get the pin out. So, but anyways, so I took the dynamic jaw out, and as you can see in here, it's got white grease in it. So it's not sure that it's ever been took apart. And so I put a little heat to it, and I'm fixing to do some prying. So I'm gonna start videoing it. So let's see if we can get this thing to turn loose. I've been beating on it for a little bit, so hopefully she'll let loose. So she was a booger. So all you gotta do, she pulls out pretty easy now, and she's able to swivel. When you want it stationary, you pin her back in, and you keep that pin in there when you're not using it and don't need the swivel jaw. And when you need it, it's there. And then you just, I guess it just swivels and connects and clamps unusual items or whatever. I'm not really sure what good it's for. I know it's cool. That's about all I know. And I was glad to pick it up. There, after a lot of persuasion, we finally got the pin out, and it worked. So they say on the Wiltons, on the dynamic jaw, the date of the vise is on there. When I pulled mine out, all I found was this number here, and it's 279. So I don't know if that means February of '79, and the warranty is usually, what I've learned, is it's a 5-year warranty on these vices. So you subtract 5 from that, and so we have a 1974 vise, or if this one is just old that they didn't put the date on there, it's just marked as 279. So anybody that's got any information on that and can help me out, I appreciate it. And I hope y'all have a good one. Thank you.